Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 292.2 E-Tech Euro 6 Ulez compliant engine knocking repairs NoVat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134460. MOT, the 4th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Cheap repair or replacement as this is the 2.2 version which is Ulez compliant. Very rare to have this combination, will be an absolute bargain for somebody with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.